To store data long term, to read and write data from and to our program, we need to actually use a text file. This is a separate file to our program that does exist independently. Technically it could be stored anywhere on our computer system, but for ease of use for us now, we're just going to store it within the project folder. So I've already got the project folder set up. To create the text file, we go up to File, New Text File, and notice Control-N is the shortcut. Now in this case, I'm going to put a few names on different lines within this text file. So each name on a different line. If I press Control-S to save, it's already picked up the directory structure of my project. And I'm just going to go down and give it a name. I'm going to call it names. I'm going to leave the save as type as plain text. That is the TXT file extension. And then I'll press save. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how we can read data from this text file into our program.